Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Which of these can be found in the knee? Is it A. Trochanter, B. Amygdala, C. Adenoid, or D. Meniscus? The answer is D. Meniscus.
The meniscus is a C-shaped cartilage in the knee that acts as a shock absorber, cushioning the joint during movement. Interestingly, ancient Greek physicians named it after the crescent moon due to its shape. Despite being small, it's crucial for stability and can be injured by something as simple as twisting your knee.
Question 2. What is the chemical sodium hypochlorite often used for? Is it A. It is used to manufacture drywall, B. It is used as an ingredient in the production of glass, bricks, and ceramics, C. It is used to relieve pain and inflammation, or D. It is used for surface purification, bleaching, odor removal, and water disinfection. The answer is D. It is used for surface purification, bleaching, odor removal, and water disinfection.
Sodium hypochlorite, the active ingredient in household bleach, was first used as a disinfectant in 18th century France. Known for its powerful cleaning properties, it not only keeps surfaces sparkling but also played a crucial role in eradicating cholera outbreaks by purifying water supplies and saving countless lives.
Question 3. What is desmology the study of? Is it A. Ligaments, B. Ants, C. Butterflies and moths, or D. Things which cannot be known? The answer is A. Ligaments.
Desmology, the study of ligaments, delves into the fascinating world of these resilient connective tissues that hold our bones together. Ligaments are like nature's bungee cords, providing stability while allowing flexibility. Without them, our joints would be as wobbly as a jellyfish trying to do the cha-cha.
Question 4. Featured in the film Jurassic Park, which creature's name means quick plunderer? Is it A. Velociraptor, B. Diplodocus, C. Stegosaurus, or D. Tyrannosaurus rex? The answer is A. Velociraptor.
The velociraptor, whose name means quick plunderer, was actually much smaller in real life than its Hollywood portrayal. About the size of a turkey, it had feathers and likely hunted in packs. Its depiction in Jurassic Park was based more on the larger Deinonychus, adding to its fearsome reputation.
Question 5. What kind of electronic tube is used to produce microwaves? Is it A. Resistor, B. Magnetron, C. Transistor, or D. Diode? The answer is B. Magnetron.
The magnetron, a key component in microwave ovens, was originally developed during World War II for radar technology. Its ability to generate high-frequency radio waves helped the Allies detect enemy aircraft. Today, this same technology heats our leftovers and pops our popcorn with remarkable efficiency and speed.
Question 6. What is Palynology the study of? Is it A. Drugs, B. Study of refuse and trash, C. Musical instruments, or D. Pollen? The answer is D. Pollen.
Palynology, the study of pollen, offers a fascinating glimpse into Earth's history. By analyzing ancient pollen grains preserved in sediments, scientists can reconstruct past climates and ecosystems. This detective work helps us understand how plants and environments have evolved over millions of years, revealing secrets about everything from ancient diets to climate change patterns.
Question 7. As what is Polaris also known? Is it A. Orion's belt, B. the Sun, C. the North Star, or D. Alpha Centauri? The answer is C. the North Star.
Polaris, famously known as the North Star, has guided travelers for centuries due to its nearly fixed position in the sky. Located almost directly above Earth's northern axis, it appears stationary while other stars circle around it. This celestial beacon is part of the Ursa Minor constellation and marks the end of the Little Dipper's handle.
Question 8. A young otter is known as what? Is it A. a pup, B. a pharaoh, C. a larva, or D. a joey? The answer is A. a pup.
Otter pups are born blind and rely heavily on their mothers for survival. These playful creatures start swimming lessons at just a few weeks old, often being carried by their mothers to the water. Otters are known for holding hands while sleeping to prevent drifting apart, showcasing their strong social bonds.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope you had a blast with our science and nature quiz. Until next time, stay curious and keep your knowledge evergreen. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.